Another bowl, this time with Pam. Put it down. This is we had another piece of box elder making a beautiful bowl. This is Pam's first time. So what you think of that experience?
I think it was awesome. It was
Yeah?
great.
A lot of fun?
It was great. Yes,
Yeah.
it was better than I
Yeah?
expected. Yes.
This was cool because it was a gift from your daughter,
Yes.
right? You didn't know that was coming,
No, I did not. That was-
right? So, yeah, this was
read my mind.
this was an unexpected gift for Mom. That's really cool. We love this box elder because of the red that's already emboldened and boiled into the wood. So this one kind of came out looking like a flower pot. Let's see the bottom. Let's see the bottom. We put our standard decorative bottom on. Put some more oil in there on the bottom. You can be generous with it. All right, this is what makes the grain pop. Oh, we love that.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
We love when that happens. All right, Pat, thanks for coming in tonight. We really appreciate your time that you spent with us.
Thank you so much.
All right.
This is great.
All right, thanks. Bye.